Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Just want to make this quick video for you about parabolic moves and a little tip on trading parabolic moves. Now, when you see a stock going parabolic, um, I'll just put this on already just to talk you through it. This you can see it bounced 45%. This is EVX the other day, and you can see it bounced like 45% or whatever, well up to here, but this was about 40%. And the little tip that I talked about in the Discord the other day, in case some people missed it, the tip is basically to look for the first low, and the first low is very key and can provide support in the future. And basically, I base my bull flag strategy around this. And when you get the first low, price loves to test it again. For example, here. And even here, the first low is here. So in an uptrend, prices like to make higher lows. And you can see here we made a higher low and price continued higher. Now, it's hard to catch the very first low, but you can, if you move down to a 1 minute chart, you can catch that. Now, here you can see I've put a fib on the high to the low to the high. And when price came back, it hit exactly at the 50%. Now, you don't know exactly on the first dip where price is going to go, but you can use the moving averages and you can use price action especially, and you can have other confluencing factors like your fibs, and you can use your RSI as well as factors. And I'll get into that in a minute. So usually it's good to, when you get your first low, I'd mark a line on it at least, and when price comes back down, you can see here it comes back down into the 50%. It comes back down into the 10 minute. 10 minutes my favorite time frame to be trading off, by the way. It can come back down into the 20 EMA, that's the green, and you can see here we made a higher low and price moved higher. Now, when price topped out, price came back down and it tested, and it actually spiked through and took out the stops of the first low, and we moved higher. Now, I want to talk about the RSI here, for example. When price was breaking out here, you can see on the RSI when price broke out of the above the 50 is bullish, below the 50 is bearish. Well, it's sometimes not bearish, but it's, for this example, we'll just say it's bullish and bearish. You can see here the RSI broke above 50 on this bar. On price action terms, this is called a 4-bar setup. Now you can get 3 and 4-bar setups, and this is price action trading. And you can see 1, 2, 3, and the fourth bar was a breakout. The fourth bar came right back into the moving average, the 9 yellow EMA, and price went higher. RSI is above the 50, so you have to be on the bullish side of things at that point in time, because price had just broken above the 50 RSI, so that's in a bullish zone. Also, you're above all these moving averages, and as soon as you touch this yellow 9 EMA, after the races, away we went. As price came back down, if you're looking to buy this, you need to look at, okay, you've got your level, you've got your first low, you've got your 50 EMA, you've got the higher low, you've got the 20 EMA, and you have your RSI above 50. That's 4 confluencing bullish factors. And if you're looking for a trade here, now the more factors you have, the better. You do never take a trade on one factor alone. You need to have 3 factors minimum to enter any trade, and that could be a moving average. It could be a lot of things. It could be price action. It could be support, resistance. It could be, your RSI indicators, MACD, whatever you use. But you need at least 3 confluencing factors. Now you can see here then, off with those confluencing factors, price moved higher again, and we came back down here. Now what I want to talk about this area here, how do you know to buy here? First off, you're back into the 50. You're back into the first level of support. Now we want to look at the RSI. You can see the RSI is trending here, and the RSI is trying to break through it. The more touches a level touches, the weaker it becomes. So we've had 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, and you can see here on the 4th touch it broke out, and this is almost like a bullish consolidation here, and you can see we've had 2 dips, and it's actually a higher low. We formed a higher low on the chart here. So as soon as you see price starting to break above well, especially the 20 10-minute EMA, that's the green line, you need to be entering this trade for a move higher. You could enter right on the green line, which is here, and have a small stop. Now you can do that if you want to front run the move, which you can do if you have your stops in place or whatever. Now the other thing is this level was front run. It's a higher low, so people front ran this level, and this is when people don't want to wait for this level, and they front run the price because they know it's a good level, so they don't want to wait, and they're happy to get in. Which can be often the case. It's a higher low, and basically front running is higher lows in a sense, and well, in certain circumstances. You can front run a lot of things in trading, but this is front running this low, which is a higher low, and there's more buyers than sellers. Now, the last little tip here I want to give you: how do you know if you're going to buy here? Okay, sorry. If you're going to buy here, how do you know where price is going to go? Now, this is a little tip, and I've talked about this quite a lot. Especially the older guys in the group would have heard me talk about it a lot. Now, this is called an equal measured move. Now, I've not really done this here, but I just by eye it looks pretty good. So you can see here an equal measured move. You take an equal measured move of this first move, and where did price go to? This was almost perfect. So we had an equal measured move here. The market loves to move. I forget the word now. It's gone out of my head. Loves to have equal moves in the market. You can see that, and let me try this one. So if we take a move to the highs, and we come back here from the low, I didn't put that down on the lows actually. It looks pretty close. So you can see here, price was almost perfectly again had an equal measured move higher. So you can predict price. You can predict the future in a sense, to a degree. If the trend is going to work in your favor, that is, you can use these strategies, this equal measured move, to give you a prediction of the price. Now you can see here it was almost flawless on both times. So we had 2 equal moves, this move, and then the bigger move, and then the bigger move. They were all basically equal, and so you can predict the price in future. If you don't know when to stay in, how long to stay in, or whatever, you can use this equal measured move strategy. Now let me show you this again. Look at how flawless this is. Well, it's not right on the low there, but so this move here is almost equal to this move here, and the market loves God, that word is gone out of my head, but the market loves to have equal moves. And you can see here, these are all equal. This is equal with this. This big move is equal with this big move. And these moves are all equal. And again, maybe I should put this here. Watch this. So we have 4 equal moves in the market. Look at that. I'm gonna take this off just so you can see it. So you can see that now. I mean, I can copy and paste all these. I don't need to do that. Clone, but just to show you, they're all equal moves. So the market loves this confluence. This not confluence, that's the wrong word, but this move is equal to this move is equal to this move, the big move is equal to the big move. This is key in trading, because you know when you get to these equal level moves, there is going to be profit taken. This is I mean, I think more experienced traders know this and use this on a daily basis. And it's, well, I got it in the stock market. I never see anybody really talking about it in crypto, but crypto is a newer market with newer traders and stuff. So this is something that you want to incorporate into your trading and really use, and you can benefit from. Now we can, again, there is the possibility again. I mean to drag the chart. There is a possibility again, even from this low, we could move higher, and that would be your next target. And look where the target takes us. That's an equal measure move from these lows, and the target takes you to a pierce of the old highs. Now that is very possible, but the only thing, right now, the dominance chart has been moving higher and putting pressure on alts, so I need to be careful. But this is a potential target area, if this was going to move higher. Anyway, guys, 11 minutes. The video's ran on again. So anyway, I hope you liked the video, and please give the video a thumbs up, guys, and comment if you can, as it helps the channel. This will be a private video for members only. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.